Okay, we're at 4610 Corliss Street in the city of Los Angeles. We're running from a two-way clean out on the side of the house. Right now we're all the way at the city sewer. We're going to go ahead and bring the camera back nice and slow. There's the connection to the city. That looks like a new connection to me. All this coming back in the street actually looks fairly new. You see the swirls?
Yeah.
This looks like a new piece of pipe to me coming back. And then we go to the original clay pipe. You saw how it changed colors?
Yep.
It went from bright orange to darker orange. Now this is the original clay pipe. We're going to be coming underneath the curb of the street and the sidewalk, and we'll let you know. They did install a clean out in the parkway, which is illegally installed. Obviously you can't have a clean out connecting on city property. We're just going to keep coming back and we'll tell you when that happens. This is still in the street. A little bit of roots here. We should be right about at the curb. Little bit of roots here coming into the joint. Now here's the section that's where the clean out is. So you can see they cut the pipe and they basically MacGyvered like a clean out in there.
Yeah.
Okay, let's continue coming back. Now this is still 6-inch clay pipe. You can see you got a little bit of roots here as well. Okay, we got some roots here, pretty thick root here coming through.
Oh, yeah,
this is going to be right at the property line.
Okay.
Now you can see also roots here. You see the chips in the pipe?
Yeah.
Meaning they probably, this was a big root and they had the nozzle sitting there for a while.
I see. With
and
the
when the nozzle spinning, see it's chipping. So at one point this was probably a pretty thick root.
Yeah.
This is right at the property line. Let's continue coming back. Another thick root here.
Oh, wow.
You see?
Yeah.
Also a lot of chips here, telling me they sat here for a while with the jetter.
Yeah. We transition to 4-inch yet?
This is 4-inch already, yes. See the chips on the bottom?
Yeah.
Another root coming in through the joint here as well. Okay, so now here, this is the big break. You see it?
That's
right
under in the front of the house there.
Yeah, bring it back just a little bit. You see this? Yeah, there's another break here. So it's definitely, there's an issue as well here with the hole in the pipe. Let's bring it back. Some more roots here. More roots here. Also, this pipe's going to start coming underneath this tree here that's in on the left side of the house if you're facing towards the street. And it keeps coming back approximately about 2 feet deep, 2.5 feet deep on the side of the house.
Yeah.
You can see definitely they were jetting the line. Now this is turning, coming alongside the house now.
Right there by that tree.
Yes, sir.
On the right there.
See, this looks pretty decent to me, but like I said, this is probably recently hydrojetted, so it's very hard to imagine what the pipe looked like before they jetted it.
Yeah.
Okay, let's keep coming back. Still clay pipe. This is coming alongside the house. What we're going to do is we're going to come up out of the clean out. Now goes to ABS plastic here. We're going to come up out of the clean out. We're going to put the camera upstream just to show you the section of pipe going upstream. Has a good sized belly there. Okay, let's go upstream. Here we are outside. Okay, so we're gonna make that turn. You see, okay, stop. You see how we're standing in water? You see how the water is just standing flat?
Yeah.
That's like it's probably about maybe 2 inches of water. And now we're gonna go forward, and then we go into the cast iron. So what's gonna happen is bring it back nice and slow. You're gonna flush the toilet. That's right here.
Yeah.
Eventually, things are gonna start piling up here, and you're gonna get a blockage.
Right.
You see how the water's just standing there?
Yeah, that's a lot of standing water.
Yeah, that's not good. Okay, let's come back now. Okay, come up. Here we are on the side of the house. We're going to go ahead and stop the recording.